Funky.
So these are all the ingredients. I'm drying into water phase. This contains my distilled water. Then this is the oil phase. We have the e-wax, the shea butter, and the palm kernel oil. E-wax. Yes, e-wax. This is the bottle of palm kernel oil. And these are my cool down phase. These are the cool down phase ingredients. This is the lavender essential oil, mint essential oil, vitamin E oil, organic hyaluronic acid, and preservative. So these are the active ingredients. This is Kojic deep powder, and this is the Niacinamide powder for vitamin D3. This one is water soluble, and this Kojic deep is oil soluble. So I'm going to dissolve them, and I'm going to add them after my emulsification process. And this is my alcohol, rubbing alcohol. And this is my rubbing alcohol that I use in sanitizing my environment. Please sanitize your environment before you start anything. Now it's time to measure out the ingredients. This is water. We're going to be using 120 grams of water, 20 grams of shea butter, and 20 grams of palm kernel oil. 6 grams of e-wax, 4 grams of Kojic deep powder, and 14 grams of niacinamide powder. So now I'm going to save some water to dissolve the niacinamide powder, some oil to dissolve the Kojic deep, and apply some heat to it, because I have to dissolve Kojic deep and dipamitate powder. You dissolve with oil and heat in a double boiler. Heat some Kojic acid into the water soluble. So we need to get keep some water here for the niacinamide. And oil for the Kojic deep. Niacinamide is very dissolving. It's quite easy to dissolve. Doesn't need heat. But the Kojic deep, it's a little bit hot so far. So just going to keep it aside, and then I'm going to combine all the oil phase and the water phase and then emulsify in a double boiler. This is my oil and water phase. So I've put my oil phase and my water phase in a double boiler in order to melt them so they can be emulsified to form cream. Do not melt over direct heat or it might destroy their properties. The oil phase and the water phase needs to be within 10 degrees of each other, or they will not combine to form cream, they will separate. This is the Kojic dip I'm dissolving in the palm kernel oil. I'm going to heat it in the double boiler as well now. Whenever you're making a cream, try to write down your recipes so you don't make any mistakes. Me, I even almost made a mistake just now, but because I wrote it down, I was able to see it and rectify my mistake. In order to make your cream thick, you need an immersion blender, or you can use a manual hand mixer like me. The good thing about it is that it doesn't need electricity. If you'd like to buy it, it's linked in the description box below, or you could message me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp is also linked in the description box below. So let's check on the double boiler. The e-wax has almost completely melted. And this is the Kojic dip. I usually find it so hard to dissolve. I'm combining the water and the oil phase together. Then I'm going to thicken it with the hand mixer. The lotion is beginning to get thick, just a little while now to fully thicken. This thing requires patience. I apologize for the quality of the video, but it was getting better and I just had to film it today. The Kojic dip is now fully dissolved. I'm adding the Kojic dip to the cream so I can mix it all together. I'm mixing. Look at now, the cream is more thicker now. And it's kind of hard for me to mix with the mixer. It's now time for me to add the cool down phase ingredients because the cream has now cooled down. I'll be adding 4 grams of Germal plus preservative, and 2 grams of vitamin E oil as an antioxidant, and lastly 2 grams of hyaluronic acid liquid. This is the final result. See how thick and creamy it looks. So just package it for use or for sale and you're done.
I love Nestle Crunch.